In the midst of a winter storm, Four-Wheel Drive Hardware sent a team of experts to Truck-Lite headquarters to get a behind-the-scenes look at the manufacturing and distribution process. First, we received our briefing.
Hi, welcome to Truck-Lite.
Welcome to Truck-Lite.
Been looking at these lights all day and my eyes are killing me.
Then we were dressed in the traditional safety attire required for all visitors. We were ready, but just as we were about to enter, we learned that no cameras of any kind were permitted inside the facility. We thought we had failed our mission, but one of our team members was able to sneak a camera through security and snap some great photos behind the scenes. What you're about to see is highly classified information. When you're ready to upgrade your Jeep's lighting with Truck-Lite products, the experts at Four-Wheel Drive Hardware have you covered.